Hi friends, I'm Anurag from EOK channel, and today's topic is on Power BI DAX Expression, time intelligence functions. There are multiple time intelligence functions, but we are talking about today the most famous function of time intelligence, that is previous month. The previous month means, let's say, we can use that particular function for in multiple aspects of for the business requirement. For example, we can take revenue. We can compare the previous month revenue or previous year or quarter or day revenue with today's revenue, and it will give a clear picture to the business for the total revenue earned till date and the comparison of the previous revenue. So let's quickly start with creating a measure. You can use your measure table, or you can right click on the table whichever you wanted this measure to come and reflect. So I'll take a sales table and click on new measure, and now on the top you will see a measure will come up. You can give it a name as role previous month equals to. Now we are calculating the previous month, so we'll take calculate, and we have to, if you see it shows expression, we have to put an expression. So we have a measure already created for total revenue, so we can take that as an expression because we need to calculate total revenue for the previous month. And now we can put the filter on the total revenue, and the filter is on the date because we are taking a previous month's revenue. So we can take as date add function, and then we can pass the date calendar there, that is date, and then because we want previous month, we can do it as -1. If you want 2 months, so you can click type in 2. 3 if you want, you can type in 3, and whatever rolling you want. If you want previous month, you can select month. If you want a day, you can select day. If you want a quarter, then you can select quarter. We want in this case month, and close this bracket for the filter, and then close the bracket for calculate and enter. Now I'll show you how it shows up, and in a table. I will not take a chart right now, but you can take a chart like donut chart, or maybe a gauge will be a better one. A gauge can simply show the previous month revenue. Let's try with the table first, and we'll take the date in the value. We do not want day, we want month. However, we are taking quarter, that's not a problem, but we can delete that also. And now we'll take the total revenue and see, compare with the one which we created. So we'll take a total revenue in the value column, and let's say the role previous month which we created. Okay, now if you see the January data, which shows 432,425, in this February month you can see the previous month data of total revenue showing up in the role previous month, and same way February data will show up in here. So every month previous data can be shown on this particular role previous month. Now you can easily compare month by month revenue by previous month revenue, and this will not show up in a clear I would say it is not showing in a better way in this table. The better way to show that would be a gauge. We can take a gauge here, let's say a gauge, and we can take the value of total revenue and compare it with previous month role previous month revenue. Okay, previous month target value. Okay, yeah, target value, we can take a target value. So you can see here it's more beneficial on the diagram gauge. You see the total revenue in blue color, and there is a line which shows up here which displays that the previous month revenue is this. So now business can compare that they have earned more from the previous month. If this particular line, it comes up here somewhere, and if they are below, the total revenue is below the previous month revenue, then it is a loss for them, right? So that's how they can compare in many aspects, not only this. And I think this is a most powerful tool which we can use in Power BI. Thank you so much.